Assalamualaikum and a very good day, sir. So today our group will briefing about our LAB6. So in LAB6 we have 4 exercise which is 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. So for the first exercise, this is a basic one. So I will straight over to our program. So if you can see here, sir, whenever I press the PB1, the light 1 will on. And then for the whenever I press the PB2, the light 2 and 3 on. And lastly, whenever I press the PB3, the system will off. So as you can see here, I will run my program. When I press PB1, light 1 should on. PB2, light 2 and 3 on. And lastly is system off. So what I do here is, this is for initialize system and PB1, and I put here is IN1 because our first input. And then this is our second step, and I name it as step 1 using a simple step. And the action will be lights 1 on. Same goes here, PB2 input 2, and the action on the second step is light 2 and light 3 will on. And the last one, PB3 for input 3 will reset the looping or the system. So this is for the 5.1. So I will straight away go to the 5.3 first, which is our exercise C for the magazine feeder. So magazine feeder, you can see here, the initially cylinder is in a retracted position, which is on the left side. So by pressing a single, only one push button, the workpiece will push away from the gravity feed magazine into a conveyor system. So the cylinder will automatically retracted back or reach original form when it is fully extended position. So the fully extended and retracted position are sent by limit switch A1 and A0, which is considered as sensor. So for the 5.3, we need to use double solenoid valve, which is this one. So I will go to the program. Oh wait. So this is for 5.3 using double solenoid. So as you can see here, I will run my program first. Whenever I press the PB1, you can see the cylinder will extend and retract, and the looping will start over again. So yeah, it's really fast. So I will explain about the system. This is our initial. So when I press the PB1 as input 1, the action will be the solenoid will extend. I already declare wait. I already declare here A0 and A1 for the solenoid sensor. So the solenoid will extend, and then here you can see A1 as input 2, A1 as a sensor whenever the solenoid is extended. So whenever solenoid extended, it will detect A1 and the A1 will be closed here. So when A1 is closed, for the second step, the solenoid will retract back to its original position. So you can see whenever the solenoid retract back to the original position, the A0 will be sensed as a original position. I will run again. You can see here. So basically for A1 and A0 is a sensor. And I declare both of this terminal as A plus and B plus because to make sure it push the solenoid, we need to send a pulse here. So whenever I send pulse, it will push here, and whenever it sends pulse from B plus, it will push the system on the left side. You can see it's moving. Wait. So I think that's all from 5.1 and 5.3, and the rest will be contributed by Hazri.
Okay, now I want to explain about exercise A, which is press PB1, light 1 on,
5.2
press
Hazri,
PB2,
5.2.
light 2 and light 3 is on.
Hazri,
5,
5.2. Yeah.
5.2 is press PB1, light 1 on, press PB2, after 3 seconds, light 2 on, and press PB3, system will off. Okay, this is my circuit, which is I use to initial. Okay, then push and light 1 on, and PB2 is push and hold till the light 2 and light 3 will on. Okay, the PB3 is for the
System off.
reset button. Okay, then I will explain about 5.4. Okay, when uh, PB PB will push and cylinder A will push the receptacle and will hold under the drilling machine. Then after the drilling machine sense limit switch and will the drilling will uh, extend and start the process. Then after the drilling cylinder has reached its start position, the drill is complete. Cylinder are not returned after cylinder B will reach its start position. Okay. Okay. Actually, I replace PB2 as a A1 limit switch to show that the limit switch are working because the process are more faster than in. Okay, the the cylinder A will push and hold. Okay, then after PB2 is actually the limit switch is reached, it will extend the cylinder B, and after the cylinder B reach it limit switch, and it will get back to initial position, and cylinder A will push again, will push back the cylinder. It is initial position. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Stop recording belum?